Challenges 2021 molded us to a beautiful 2022. 250 grams of all-purpose flour, melted butter, gula, yes, brown sugar, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and definitely my favorite spice, cardamom. Banana. Banana is something readily available, sweet, tasty, and when it's mashed, is practically in many desserts. Butter your pan. Get ready for that dessert to go in. Now the mixing process, where in life sometimes we take the good, bad, the ugly, the difficulties, the challenges, put them all together like 2021. But when you mix them with all the sweetness and definitely the spice of life, you get a great batter ready to be put into life's heat. So like this, the steamer and the smoke that comes out tells us that it has been through a lot. Yes. January, just go bananas.